How to log out Facebook Messenger on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to log out of your Facebook Messenger on your laptop. So in that case, open up a browser and on the web address bar, go ahead and type in messenger.com and log in into your account by entering your credential. So make sure that the account you're using for your Facebook and the information for the messenger will remain the same. So while you're on this page, you have to go to your profile from the bottom right hand side corner, and here you can see there is this option as logout. However, if you're unable to find the option right on this page, then you can go to preferences from the top right, and over here scroll down a bit. So here you could go ahead and tap on preferences, and then you could go ahead and locate the following option, that is logout. So all you have to do is just press the logout button and then you'll be logged out of your messenger application. So that's how simple it is to log out of your Facebook Messenger on your PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.